When it comes to teaching in the 21st century, teachers have really got to know their technology because the kids already do. The struggle most teachers have is the overload of digital tools that are available and which ones to use in the classroom. Teachers need tools that will engage their students but also help to drive their instruction through assessment of their students. In the following video, you will learn about a software program called EdPuzzle, which is a quick and easy way to create interactive videos that will engage your students while providing valuable data on the student progress.
The Triangle Factory Fire, which is one of the stories that we have to read in 6th grade and 7th grade. And it's just basically what I did is I embedded quiz or questions, multiple choice questions, open-ended questions. And I'm going to show you through this video, after you complete the activity, how you can access the data. And you can use that to differentiate your instruction. Okay, and once you've logged in, then go ahead and join the class, which is E_LX81J.
It is case sensitive, so.
The Triangle Factory Fire video was used to show the teachers how they can actually take a video, embed multiple choice or constructor response questions, and use the answers provided by the students to create data that will inform their instruction. Teachers took this video quiz during class, and I was able to show them their responses and how easily it could be graded.
Figurative language. This one is actually really good to create a teacher account. This is what your page will look like. This is your home page. I've actually already set up my classes. So I've got my academic classes here, and then here's my demo class, which you are in the demo class. So I just click on there, and I can see some things that I've actually uploaded into the demo class. I've got some other things uploaded into the other classes as well. And then anything that I download, and we'll show this to you later, but these are all the videos and things that we've made as well. But I'm going to go back to my demo class, and I'm going to show you the data. And this is how you can use this data to differentiate your instruction. So as you can see, I've got all of you, all of my students in here, excuse me. And I'm going to click on maybe one student. I think I accidentally got out of that. Okay, this is how my students have done so far in this class. It'll let me scroll up. Yes. So and then I got out of it. But if you look at this, key here, this shows you how many times people actually looked at that. So this will show you if your students clicked on this bar. It's not showing everything, is it?
Hit the back button.
Looks like nobody's taken that one.
There, I think you just hit a student.
I don't know why,
Yeah.
but anyway. But you can find your name. Let's see, there's Jill. Jill, if I want to go on Jill, and it's not going to actually show me her constructive response because I have to grade that. But if I go over to Jill and I can click on her, I can see this is what she wrote down for her constructive responses. So you can actually look at them individually, and you can see what all you got right. If I want to make a comment, you know, that she did a great job, I can go in and type, you did a wonderful job, okay? Or I want you to add something else to this question. If she got it right, you know, you can click off on the X there. Then, if you go back over here, and I'll go back to my classes again. I want to show you something else interesting too. I can go over here and see I can actually export the grades. Once I've graded everything, I can export them. But here's the really cool thing. Do you know how you did constructive responses or open-ended questions? This little tab says open, it says grade open questions. I can click on that, and it's every single student there, and it's listed what their responses were for that particular question, and it's going to show all of the different questions. So I can scan these really fast. I can grade these really fast. Scan these and check them off, They got them right.
So if they have it right, you just click on.
Yeah, you don't have to do it individually. You can look at it whole group by question, because there are some of us that like to grade each question first for everybody if it's a constructive response, because we want to make sure that we're grading, evenly, consistently across the board. So, but it's really nice to be able to do that. That's a really, really nice feature.
On the left side, that little comment box, like I did for one of my kids, like, please go in and explain in greater detail, and then go back in and redo it before you just mark it wrong. Because a lot of times on constructive response, they have so much availability, freedom to write what they want.
You can also see if a student hasn't done anything, because notice it says not answered. So that means that they haven't even completed that that part of the test. You can see who hasn't started. You can see who needs help. You can see who's doing good and who's doing an excellent job. So you should be able to look at this. This is highlighted everybody pretty much there that's been in this class today. So, but it's really, really neat. And you can take this instruction or this data, and you can use it to differentiate your group. So you can put your kids that are having problems with maybe particular type of questions that you put in. Maybe you have a question on main idea, and the kids, maybe some of the kids were getting main idea and some of them weren't getting main idea. You can put all the kids that weren't getting main idea together and the ones that were getting main idea together. You notice some of it says maybe some of you got 63% or 50%. That's because the constructive response has not been graded yet. Okay, once that's graded, that will go up. How many of y'all notice that you can have multiple correct answers? Did y'all notice that? Okay, so we're going to show you how to do that as well in a few minutes. We're actually going to show you how to download videos, how to create quizzes, how to do voiceovers, and to take something back with you today. So right now, we're going to go ahead and show you how to download the videos. Okay, so you actually, in your packet, you have a handout that says how to download videos from Discovery Ed. Is that what we wanted to do? That's what we wanted to do. Okay. So I'm going to show you something really quick up here. And I'm going to go into, if you will type into your computer, ori.discoveryeducation.com. And if you're not already logged in to that, some of you may already be logged in, you will log in using your credentials, and that'll be your first and your last name and then whatever password you use for your computer. Let me show you how to do it real quick, and then I'll let you see, if y'all don't mind, I'll show you how to do it, and then we're going to let you download a video real quick. So I'm going to go up to enter keywords, and at the very top of your screen once you log in. Is everybody logged in? Okay. Do you see where it says enter keywords at the very top of your screen? Okay. You want to click on grade. So go ahead and be specific. So I'm 6 through 8. So I'm going to click on 6 through 8. And then you click the X. You're going to X out of that. Then I'm going to go into the subjects. And I teach English Language Arts. And then I'll X out of that. And then I'm going to media types. And as you can see, there's all different types of media you can use. It just animation, you can do clip art, you can do a full-length video, you can do just an image, there's songs, I mean there's all kinds of stuff in here, an encyclopedia article. But I'm going to do a video segment because that's just a portion of a really long video. So I'm going to click.
Teachers were then given the opportunity to find their own video from Discovery Education that was in their content area. They downloaded the video, inserted their questions, and created a great lesson to use with their students. Finally, we had a few teachers that wanted to tell us what they learned from this technology session.
I didn't realize how easy EdPuzzle would be to use, and I'm really excited to go share it with my colleagues.
I learned a lot from EdPuzzle today because I learned how to crop videos, and I learned how to put in my own multiple choice questions, and I thought that was really neat because I can use that in my classroom a lot.
I'm excited about today because I'm walking out of here with something I can use in my classroom tomorrow.